We all capture our memories and store them on different devices, but what if our photos get corrupted due to viruses or data transfer? When it happens many times with me being a content creator, my photos and videos do get corrupted and I fix them in few minutes. Hey, myself Akhil from W Originals, back with another video, and today I will show you all how to fix corrupt JPG images in minutes. So if your photos have got corrupted due to any reason, watch this video full, and by the end of this video you will also be able to repair your images. But before I start, if you are new to W Originals, do subscribe for more useful content like this and hit bell icon to get notified when I post new videos. So finally, let's start this video and do the complete process to repair corrupt photos, and for this we will be using Stellar Repair for photos. Which is the best JPG file repair tool for Windows and Mac. It can fix corrupt JPG or JPG images files in minutes and is the best JPG file repair tool for Windows. Can restore corrupted JPG files saved on camera memory cards, SD cards, flash drive, etc. Not only this, it also supports types like PSD, PNG, DNG and more. The best thing is that it also offers advanced repair for severely corrupted photos. It comes with easy to use interface, so even if you are a novice user, you can repair corrupt photos with a Stellar Photo Repair Tool. We can also preview files before repairing. That's wonderful. Just add corrupt photos, repair corrupt files and save repaired photos. That's how easy it is. Let's give it a try and click on free download. Download starts. Once download completes, click on it to start with the installation process. Follow the steps to complete installation, and once done, click on it to open it. Now here we have Stellar Repair for photos. So simple and clean UI. Let's use this to repair some corrupt photos. Here I have few photos which have got corrupted and can't view them. Now let's try to repair corrupt photos with Stellar Photo Repair. Click on this and it opens Windows File Picker. Browsing through to pick corrupt photos. Once imported, click on repair. It starts repairing files and our corrupted photos get repaired successfully. Now click on OK. Now from here we can preview and save it as well. Select files and then click on save repaired files. Select it desktop and now click on select folder. Images are successfully saved. Click on this to open folder containing repaired images. Boom, see, our photos are successfully repaired and we can view them as well. That's awesome. This is how easily you can also repair your corrupt photos using Stellar Repair for photos. Well, you can always try it for free and preview files as well. But if you want to save your photos, you will require plans. So now let's talk about pricing plans for Stellar Repair for photos. Here we are back on official website and let's click on buy now. Here we have different pricing plans for Stellar Photo Repair for Windows. It is also available for Mac, and here are the pricing plans for Mac. Choose the plan as per your requirement. So effective and affordable. On top it is easy to use. So I will highly recommend you to try Stellar Repair for photos if you are looking to repair your corrupt images. And if you want to, find the links in description and pin comment. That's what I had for today. Hope you find this useful. If yes, give this video a thumbs up. Also share your views and feedback in comments. And if you are new to W Originals, do subscribe to my channel for more useful content like this and hit bell icon to get notified when I post new videos. And if you want to watch videos in Hindi, do subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you all in the next video.